What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this video in which we're going to be talking about Luna 2.0 or Luna, I guess you could call it too. And mainly the question, we're going to be talking about a lot of things, also some news around it, some more proof for the manipulation of Luna. But apart from that, I also wanted to talk about whether I think Luna is going to crash, all right? Obviously, we've seen Luna crash once before. It might be a question you're interested in. So first of all, I wanted to talk a little bit more about, in the previous videos, we talked a lot about Luna 2.0 being manipulated, which I think clearly it was. I'm not sure who did it, all right? I'm not pointing fingers. You can all point the fingers as much as you want. Please do so. I think we all have one target in specific, but I'm not going to do that anymore in this video. But the main thing behind that manipulation obviously was this volume. Reaching 8 billion volume in 24 hours. And then it dropping down in 2 days to 1.4 billion. All right, that's not normal market behavior. From 8 billion to 1.4, we dropped down 60% over the last 24 hours. I can guarantee you tomorrow it's going to be under 1 billion, at least if we haven't touched a major support level. So it's definitely manipulated. One of the other reasons why I think it's manipulated is that you would definitely say, right, if we get this volume, if we get 8 billion volume, you would say that there are a lot of people who are positive about Luna, right, on the internet. A lot of people buying it. They say, all right, we're going to get a bull run, Luna up to $15 and stuff. That's usually what you get with a bull run. For Luna, that's very limited. There are people who are saying it, obviously, but if you compare Luna, for example, with Luna Classic, and you compare their communities, then Luna 2.0's community is almost non-existent, all right? So clearly, there are some people with a lot of volume that pumped Luna up, and not a lot of people with little volume. So another reason why I think it's manipulated. But now let's get on to the technical analysis and see if we can actually determine whether Luna will crash. In my opinion, I don't think we'll see a huge crash down to the levels we were at. So I don't think we'll crash down all the way to $2. What I am expecting, and this was my analysis from yesterday, which is still, I'd say, pretty accurate, or still going pretty well. I still believe that, as you can see, the last move I drew yesterday was that we would drop down to this level right here at 4.5 and continue that consolidation. Apart from that, you can also clearly see, also without the trend line, that this is a downtrend, right? We're making lower highs all the time. So I have to be honest with you. Crypto works very weird, all right? I think we're dropping down to 4.5, and I think from 4.5 there is actually a small chance that we'll get another rally. That largely depends on us breaking above $6. If we break above $6, we can actually get to 7.5 again. And I know I've been negative about Luna 2.0, but this is just my honest opinion, all right? I'm trying to educate you or inform you as much as I can according to what I have experienced in the crypto market. And hopefully this sound doesn't annoy you too much, but there is some sort of a cleaning truck driving past my window. But so I have the obligation to inform you the best way I can, right? So I think this is actually possible. But the main thing is we're dropping down to 4.5. If from 4.5 we get above $6, that's going to happen. I think it's more likely that we'll find resistance at like 5.6, 5.5. If that happens, I think it's more likely that we'll see a bearish breakout in the next few days out of 4.5 to drop down to $4 and eventually down to 3.5. So could that be considered a crash down to 3.5? Because 3.5 in my opinion is, or that level between 3.5 and $3 is the first support level I think that could actually hold for a longer period of time. So that would be a 43% drop. Could that be considered a crash? I think so. So do I think there's a crash upcoming? Yes, I do think so. But when I'm saying that, you should also know that crypto is a very weird market, and after dropping down to 4.5, we also have a possibility for a rally. So I know that sounds very weird, but basically, if we get this rally, we're still going to crash down to 3.5. It would just take longer. Alright, so that's my analysis for now. Hopefully you understood it a little bit. It was a little bit of a harder analysis. So if you do have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comments and I'll make sure to explain everything you want to know, at least about my analysis on Luna. For now though, that's my analysis on Luna. So I want to wish you all a great rest of the day and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today and see you all tomorrow. Bye.